My name is John Lee. I'm a serial entrepreneur. I've created 4 new businesses myself, and I now work with a company called Oxford Innovation. Please tell us about yourself and how long you have suffered from chronic prostatitis.
I am Valerie and I am 45 years old. I've always been a very athletic sportsman, and I even played professional hockey. And I've always worked as a driver on big lorries for about 10 years. I was always a strong, active person, but for the last 4 years I've been suffering from chronic pain in the pelvic area. This pain was slowly taking all my drive and strength, and I don't know how long I could have carried on resisting this stressful condition if I had not found Dr. Allen's device for prostate care.
What were the most disturbing symptoms? How did you try to cope with the symptoms of chronic prostatitis?
All symptoms of prostatitis are disturbing. They can be embarrassing, even distressing, and interfere with your life in all sorts of ways. The main symptom was pain, sometimes sharp and throbbing, sometimes dull, but pain continued all the time, and at times this was so bad I could not stand it. I felt depressed. I could not find anywhere to escape, neither in an armchair nor in my bed. Painkillers helped for a short time, but the pain soon returned. I lost weight, and more importantly, my strength decreased.
What were the doctor's recommendations? Have you been taking any medication to get rid of this stressful condition?
Of course, for these last 4 years, I had been taking many pills, particularly different antibiotics. I was seen by many consultant urologists, and each of them prescribed new medication. At first, I got relief for a short while, after a course of medication, but later, this was not so effective. Several times, my symptoms were so troubling that I had to undergo treatment in hospital, and I was only 44 years old.
When did you start to wear Dr. Allen's device for prostate care? How easy is it to use the device?
I started to use Dr. Allen's device 3 months ago. It is very easy to wear, but it is important to follow the instructions carefully. Frankly, at first I did not believe that it would help, but after 4 years of taking all sorts of pills, I had become very suspicious of any treatments. However, the treatment by Dr. Allen did work. The pain slowly became less, without the use of any painkillers. My general health has improved, and I have found my inner strength to do exercises, which, in combination with Dr. Allen's treatment, are very important as well.
What do you think about the natural treatment developed by Dr. Simon Allen? Is it an important choice for men who suffer with chronic prostatitis?
It is amazing that this small thermo element works. It seems to be a magic reality, which is very important for men. The only thing a man needs is to be patient and not to expect any instant results, as this treatment is natural. It is not a secret that there is no effective treatment for chronic prostatitis. Dr. Allen's device can be found only on the internet. However, I am happy that I got one.
Well, thank you very much for your time. It's been a very interesting discussion.